Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the OS build and recent updates. This helps avoid surprising rollbacks. Create a system restore point and backup critical files so you can recover if needed. Next, open the Settings app and navigate to Updates. Pause updates immediately to halt automatic downloads. Once paused, disable scheduled restart windows. Make sure to save open work. These steps protect your system state and give you control over exactly when changes occur. You need to stop background services that trigger updates. Open services and set Windows Update and Update Orchestrator to manual or disabled, then stop them now. Next, run Task Scheduler and locate update-related tasks. Disable triggers or delete tasks you trust to remove. For extra prevention, set your Wi-Fi as a metered connection. This limits large automatic downloads. Once done, verify service states and scheduler entries. Make sure no automatic timers remain that could. You finish by blocking update servers. Edit the host's file or create firewall rules to prevent connections to update domains. Do this carefully to avoid breaking other services. Reboot the laptop and immediately verify that Windows Update shows paused or disabled and that related services are not running. If a problem appears, drivers fail or apps misbehave, re-enable services and restore the backup or restore point you made. One key troubleshooting tip: use safe mode to reverse changes if normal recovery fails.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.